Namaste guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to upload a file in Jupyter. So basically I am going to upload a Jupyter file and show it in like this format. So what you have to do is simply just run this command, click on upload, select the CSV file as per your requirement. Okay, so here I am going to open shopping data, click open. After that run this command. Okay, so here you can see I got the output of my shopping data. So similarly in that way you can open any kind of file. Just in case if you want to open a text file or a PDF file, just change the format to PDF or CSV as per your requirement. If you want to open more than one file format, then type these things. Okay, again it's up to you. This method is suitable. I highly recommend that you create a function as per your requirement to use this, okay, so that your line of code will become shorter. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you want the code, check out the blog link in description. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.